This is a super short sequence for hip flexor stretches. Very important if you have a sedentary job, absolutely a must. So I'm glad you're here. I'm Marion and let's go. Place the left foot to the front and the right knee sinks down to the back so you can sink low with your hip as low as possible. And if this is okay for you and you want more, you can come on your forearms and maybe move the left leg a bit more outside for this. Just hold here and breathe. Come back up. Lift the back foot. This is a tough one, so if you see how you feel about it, you might want to support the knee. Grab the foot with whatever arm, doesn't matter. Just bring the foot towards your bum, towards your hip. Feel the stretch. This is like one of the most intense ones. Release and step back. Change the side. Drop your hip. And if you want it more intense, again on the forearms. Stay here, breathe. Come back up, lift the foot, and again choose which arm, right or left. Grab the foot. If you cannot reach it, you can use a strap, a towel or something, and bring the foot towards your hip. Release. You can of course choose to hold it longer at home. Come on your belly and roll on one side. Okay. Grab the foot from the leg that's on top and then just bring the foot to your hip and push the hip forward. Hold and breathe. And release. Come to the other side. You can just roll over, being at home. And here it doesn't really matter if your leg that's on the bottom is on the floor, if it's straight or bent. It doesn't really matter because we want to feel the stretch here. So it's just for stabilizing you. This one you can of course also do standing, but I find it has a different feeling while lying down. And release. Very good. Come on your belly. Now grab your feet. And if this is not available to you to grab your feet, then just place the hands on your lower back or your sacrum. You can lift up like this, push the heels together. But if you can grab your feet, it's a bit nicer, a bit more intense. Breathe. And release. Come on your hands, push up, sit back, inhale, exhale. That's it. Super fast, super quick, super efficient. Make sure to subscribe and I see you next time. Bye.